Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. So in order to do it, first thing, make sure that you've already updated your Snapchat application to the latest version, and also make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So unfortunately, you will not be able to unadd multiple friends on Snapchat at once. So in order to do this, now there is an alternative way on how you can do it. So for that, open up your Snapchat application and then click on your Bitmoji in the top right corner. Once you click on your Bitmoji, you'll be taken to the profile page. Scroll down, click on My Friends. Once you click on My Friend, you'll be able to see a list of friends that are friends on your Snapchat. Now in order to remove them, all you need to do is long press on the username, and after that click on Manage Friendship and click on Remove Friend. Once you do this, click on Done. This particular person will be removed out of Snapchat. So this is the only way you can remove a friend on Snapchat. So this method is only going to be easy for those of you who have less followers or friends on Snapchat. The other alternative, what you can do is, if the person's name starts with A, now click on A. All the friends on his Snapchat that their name starts with A will appear right over here. All you have to do is long press on their profile ID or the username and then click on Manage Friendship, Remove Friend. Now do the same procedure with other alphabets such as B, C, and the list goes on. So in this way, you can remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.